Every 12 years, the bank of India's sacred rivers become the stage for an unparalleled spiritual convergence as millions of pilgrims gather in devotion at the Maha Kumbh Mela. The air vibrates with ancient chant and whispered prayers, uniting souls from every corner in a timeless celebration of faith. This grand event is not just a gathering, it is a profound ritual where the sacred waters promise renewal and purification, echoing an age old legacy of divine battles and cosmic destiny. In the timeless annals of Hindu mythology, a legendary event unfolds where the celestial devas and the mighty asuras join forces to churn the cosmic ocean, Samudra Manthan as it is popularly known, in a desperate quest for the nectar of immortality, Amrit. As the divine energies surged and intertwined, the very fabric of the universe trembled with anticipation. When the luminous nectar emerged amidst the swirling chaos, it ignited a fierce struggle between the forces of light and darkness, a struggle that would forever define the balance of cosmic power. Amidst this celestial turmoil, Lord Vishnu assumed the enchanting form of Mohini, a mesmerizing avatar whose charm and cleverness outwitted even the most formidable demons. With divine finesse, Mohini orchestrated a ruse that ensured the precious Amrit would be exclusively shared among the gods, leaving the demons deceived and yearning. Yet, in the midst of all this divine subterfuge, a few radiant droplets of Amrit spilled over, cascading onto the earth and blessing four sacred locations: Prayagraj, Haridwar, Ujjain, and Nashik. With an everlasting aura of divinity, over centuries, these blessed sites evolved into revered centers of pilgrimage and spiritual transformation. The Kumbh Mela, held at these hallowed locations, has become a beacon for sages, ascetics, and devotees seeking redemption and inner renewal. As pilgrims immerse themselves in the sacred waters, they believe that every drop cleanses their sins and purifies their spirit, transforming their lives in a ritualistic celebration of faith. This enduring tradition continues to inspire generations, a living testament to an ancient myth where divine grace meets human aspirations. Today, the Kumbh Mela stands as the world's largest spiritual gathering, a vibrant tapestry woven with faith, devotion, and the timeless quest for enlightenment. Millions converge, transcending the boundaries, to partake in a ritual that is both a tribute to ancient legends and a beacon of hope for modern souls. As the rhythmic pulses of prayers and chants fills the air, each sacred dip in the river resonates with the eternal promise of spiritual rebirth and the unyielding human spirit in pursuit of truth and liberation. Every 12 years, the banks of India's sacred rivers become the stage for an unparalleled spiritual convergence as millions of pilgrims gather in devotion at the Maha Kumbh Mela. The air vibrates with ancient chants and whispered prayers, uniting souls from every corner in a timeless celebration of faith. This grand event is not just a gathering, it is a profound ritual where the sacred waters promise renewal and purification, echoing an age old legacy of divine battles and cosmic destiny. In the timeless annals of Hindu mythology, a legendary event unfolds